It's not lemonade, Cerys. No.
Is what orange juice?
The thing is different on it.
No, it's
Petrol or something, diesel.
yeah, alcohol or something. Meths.
Something to spread the flame.
Do you know where that air comes from?
Where the air's coming from, it's coming from the sky. There you go, that's lighting up now, isn't it?
What was that? You're too hot?
Yeah, that's where.
What's wrong, Sarah?
There's some doors here with some glass in, but hopefully it's bush, you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
sometimes glass, when it gets hot, you know what I mean? I'm just thinking at little ones.
Okay, yeah, we'll move back.
Alright.
Yeah.
Done my job now, I've told you.
You know what I'm doing? I'm doing this. Jack and Sophie through it.
I doubt it.
Where did it go? Where did it go?
It was shooting across the ground, and it was literally right there.